So for today's video, we're going to make authentic Korean kimchi. So this is the recipe I learned from my years of experience of living in South Korea. This recipe is simple enough for beginners, so if you don't have any experience in kimchi making, don't worry because I designed this video for you. And all the ingredients, you can find it in your local Korean grocery stores. I'm sure marami po niyan, especially sa Philippines nowadays. You can find all the ingredients that I will mention in the description box. So this is the recipe that many Korean families make at home. Here are the ingredients. Paano gumawa ng kimchi sa bahay? I-divide ko yung ingredients into 3 parts. First, we have the cabbage. Second will be the kimchi paste. And third will be the vegetables. So for the cabbage, all we need to have is this. Like this recipe is good for like 1 kilogram of Napa cabbage or Chinese cabbage. We also need some carrots. We also need ginger. Para pang patamis, we also need this pear. Kung wala po kayong pear, pwedeng i-substitute ang apples or pwede nating i-remove yung fruits na to at gawin nating sugar yung carbohydrate source ng ating bacteria. Kailangan din natin ng onions, 5 cloves ng garlic. We also need spring onions, Korean chili flakes or gochugaru. For the sauce, we need the fish sauce. Usually, ang ginagamit nila is yung ekjot or yung parang fermented shrimp. Pero dahil wala po ako sa South Korea ngayon, ang gagamitin natin is fish sauce. Kailangan din natin ng sugar. We also need coarse salt or rock salt. And para to sa ating kimchi paste, kakailangan din natin ng rice flour or all-purpose flour. The first step in kimchi making is salting the cabbage. Magsimula na tayo sa salting process. So now, let's begin with the salting process. So nahugasan ko na po yung ating cabbage. Medyo malaki po siya, kaya gagawin natin, ikakat natin siya into 2 parts para magkasya siya dito sa ating maliit na bowl. Tapos tatanggalin din natin yung white part sa ibaba kasi ito yung matigas sa cabbage. Ito. So yun, nahati ko na po ang ating kimchi into quarters. It's time to add our salt. The next step will be to sprinkle salt between every leaf. Mag-sprinkle po tayo dito na coarse salt between every leaf. Ang goal natin is to not just salt the outside. Make sure that the thicker white parts get enough salt because they are the harder to soften. So nakikita nyo, ito po yung white part na medyo matigas, harder to soften. So we need to put a little bit of water later and we can leave this for about 2 hours. And we need to turn the cabbage every 30 minutes. So meanwhile, I will just finish adding salt sa lahat na surfaces ng ating cabbage. And make sure na ma-salt natin lahat ng parte ng cabbage. And we will leave this for like 2 hours. So this is how it looks like. So after adding salt, we will just leave it for like the next 2 hours with inversion every 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, ganito yung magiging itsura ng ating kimchi. Nag-reduce na po yung ating weight. As you can see, na-reduce na siya. Kanina parang nasa top layer pa siya, ngayon nag-reduce na significantly. Nilagyan ko rin siya ng konting tubig kaya makikita nyo may konting brine solution sa ibaba. So this is still the first step. We don't need to rush this part because a properly salted cabbage makes all the difference. Kaya dapat talagang ma-coat natin siya ng salt. So after 1.5 hours, let's check our cabbage. So yan, nakikita nyo, nag-reduce na talaga yung weight niya. Hi guys, I'm currently sterilizing. This is not autoclave. I'm sterilizing the bottles because I want them clean. I want them to be free of any contaminants, bacteria, viruses or fungi.